How do I delete an Apple ID from my iPhone?
Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to walk you through the process of deleting an Apple ID from your iPhone. It's a simple task if you follow the steps correctly. Let's get started.
What is an Apple ID?
An Apple ID is your personal account that you use to access Apple services like the App Store, iCloud, iMessage, FaceTime, and more. It includes the email address and password you use to sign in, and all the contact, payment, and security details that you use across Apple services.
Why would you want to delete your Apple ID?
There could be many reasons to delete an Apple ID from your iPhone. For instance, you may have used a work email address that's no longer accessible, or maybe you're handing over the device to someone else. Whatever the reason, it's essential to know the process.
How to sign out of Apple ID on iPhone?
To remove the Apple ID from your iPhone, you'll need to sign out of iCloud. Here's how to do it. 1. Open the Settings app. 2. Tap on the name at the top of the screen. 3. Scroll down and tap on Sign Out at the bottom. 4. You will be asked to enter your Apple ID password. Enter it and tap Turn Off. Remember, signing out of your Apple ID will remove all the iCloud data from your iPhone, like photos, files, email, and more.
What to do after signing out?
After signing out of the Apple ID, you can either create a new Apple ID or sign in using a different existing Apple ID. To do this, 1. Open the Settings app. 2. Tap on Sign In to your iPhone at the top of the screen. 3. Enter the Apple ID that you want to use. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign in. Please note that if you sign in with a different Apple ID, the data associated with the previous Apple ID will not be on your device. That's it. You've successfully learned how to delete an Apple ID from your iPhone. Always remember, your data security is important, so ensure you're making these changes in a safe environment. We hope this guide has been helpful, and feel free to ask any questions you may have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.